now with the continuing high temperatures in London.
Londoners are looking for relief from the stifling conditions.
Little hate it, the current heat wave doesn't come without problem.
It is so hot. I like the sun, but this is just ridiculous.
Yes!
Kids invent stuff.
So it's super hot, so we thought it's the perfect time to set an invention challenge around inventions that keep you cool. So here's our top 5.
Top 5 inventions.
At number 5, this giant ice palace in China is an impressive way to stay cool. Next, we have the slow-mo guys battling the heat in this person-sized water balloon. But don't overfill it. Now we need this in the workshop. Hard hats with fans in them. And at number 2, we have this band jacket. Just plug it in, inflate yourself, and stay cool all day. But taking our top spot, we have the swimming pool car. Perfect for keeping cool in the heat.
So we want kids to send us their ideas for crazy inventions to help people cool down in the heat. And you can send in your invention ideas as either pictures or videos uploaded to our website, which will appear on the screen below.
And the closing date for this is the 25th of July.
Send us lots of ideas, we're really excited to see them.
And today, in this heat, we've made some giant ice lollies.
Giant lollies!
Here's how we made them.
Boom! So to make a giant lolly, you need a bottle of drink, you need some sticks, you need a knife, and you need a glass. First, pour out 1 glass of your drink. Get an adult to help you carefully cut away the top section of the bottle. Take a clean stick and carefully insert it into the bottle. That wasn't careful enough. Now to finish our giant lollies, all we've got to do is pop it in the freezer.
24 hours later.
Cut away the plastic bottle and make sure you get a grown-up to help. Giant lolly!
These are enormous.
Melting everywhere.
If you make these, please send us a picture. We would love to see them.
And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see when we bring to life some crazy kids' invention ideas, and hit the notification bell so you can find out when we release a new video.
We'll see you next week. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.